Okay, good morning students. In previous session, we have studied about question number 2, exercise 1.2. Now today we will start with question number 3 of exercise 1.2. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Find both rational numbers. Another method is to divide by 10 by 10, which is easy. So it is converted into 30 upon 50. This one 40 upon 50. You can write any number. So this is the third method which we can use. Now question number 4, exercise 3. Question number 4, exercise 1.1. First one. Say whether the given statements are true or false. First one. Every natural number is a whole number. Student, what we have discussed is the set of natural numbers start from 1 and its last number is infinity. But set of whole numbers include 0. So therefore given statement is false. As the state of natural numbers start from 1 while whole number as the first member 0. So given statement is false as 0 is not included in state of natural number. Next question is every integer is a whole number. Can you guess what may be the answer? True or false? So integers. Thus integers include natural numbers, whole numbers as well as negative, additive inverse of natural numbers. Of natural numbers. So given statement is true. Now next is, but if minus 25 is given, then minus 25 is not included in whole number. So in that case it is false. Question 3. Every rational number is a whole number. This is also false. Why false? Because rational number can be expressed in the form p by q. Suppose in for example we can take 2 by 5, but 2 by 5 is not a whole number and therefore given statement is false. Now we start about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form p by q, where p as well as q are integers and q not equal to 0. Example of such irrational numbers are square root 2, square root 3, square root 5, pi. These all are irrational numbers because we cannot express these numbers in the form p by q. Now first time irrational numbers were found out by Pythagoras, which was a Greek mathematician. So he found out irrational number. Next is set of real numbers. Real numbers include all rational as well as irrational numbers. The symbol which is used to represent real number is R. Now rational numbers are also infinite number of rational numbers are there. Irrational numbers are also infinite. So real numbers we got infinite number of real numbers. Now we'll study how to locate root 2 on number line. So for that, you have studied about Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, where AB and BC are the two sides which form the right angle. Suppose AB is 1 unit, BC as well as 1 unit. In that case, it is 1 square plus 1 square is AC square. So AC square is equal to 1 plus 1, which is 2. AC is square root 2. So now we will try to locate root 2 on number line. For that we will discuss the example of square. A, B, C, D is a square. All angles are right angles. All sides are congruent. Draw diagonal AC. This is 1 unit. This also 1 unit. So measure of this diagonal is square root 2. If you want to represent it on number line, you can draw the number line in this way. Put the compass here and draw the arc like this. So this is the point P, which has value square root 2. Now we will directly locate point root 2 on number line. O stand for origin. With the help of protractor, draw the right angle here. Or construct right angle here. Join these 2 points. With the help of compass, put the compass at point O, then OB as a radius. Draw the arc like this which will intersect the number line here. This is your point P. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OAB, angle OAB is 90. Therefore, OA square plus AB square is equal to OB square. 1 square plus 1 square is equal to OB square. Therefore, OB square is equal to 1 plus 1, which is 2. Taking square root both sides, so OB is equal to square root 2. Now, if we want to represent root 3 on number line, we will follow the same method on same number line at point P. Draw the right angle with the help of protractor. Join this point O and Q. Put compass at point O. Take OQ distance like this. So this will be your point R. Now in triangle, OPQ, angle OPQ is equal to 90. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OP square plus PQ square, by Pythagoras theorem, OP square plus PQ square is equal to OR square. OP is root 2, PQ is 1. This is root 2, which is 2 plus 1, OR square is equal to 2 plus 1. So, taking square root both sides, OR is equal to root 3. Now we will discuss about the examples which are given in exercise. First example is exercise 1.2. First example is state whether the following statements are true and false. Every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. Question number 1. State whether the given statements are true and false. Given statement is true. Why it is true? Because real number include irrational numbers as well as rational number. Now second question, this statement is true because irrational set of irrational real numbers include irrational number as well as rational number. Now question 2, every point on number line is of the form square root m, where m is a natural number. So now this statement is false. Why false? Every point on a number line is of the form square root m. Where m is a natural number. Now this is false. Why false? Because negative number, we cannot find out the square root of negative number. Therefore, given statement is false. And last one is every real number is an irrational number. This statement is also false. Every real number is irrational number. This is also false. Because real number has rational number as well as irrational number. Now exercise 1.2, question number 2. Are the square root of all positive integers irrational? Now can you guess what may be the answer? The square root of all positive numbers. For example, we will take square root 1, square root 2, square root 3, square root 4, 5, square root 9. Now what is our square root of all positive number irrational. Now if we consider the example of this, square root of 4 is 2. Why this is irrational? This number also irrational. This also irrational. But square root of 4 is 2 as well as square root of 9 is 3. So given statement is false. And example of that is square root 4 is 2 as well as square root 9 is 3. We can extend up to square root 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Now homework. Locate root 5 on number line. This is your homework today.